better, drinking a latte or eating it with a fork, biting off a banana, or stretching it into all directions? Watch a new challenge in our new video, Slime Food versus Regular Food. Miss Gonzalez, get ready! Your favorite nephew and niece came to visit you. Cindy and Stevie are here. It looks like her quiet day is over. She loves her relatives very much. And of course, she will treat them from the bottom of her heart. The guests should sit at the table while Miss Gonzalez conjures something in the kitchen. Her dear relatives deserve something more interesting than plain pasta. They'll need something special. She's decided. Miss Gonzalez will arrange an intense food challenge. Regular food versus slime food. Let's have a cup of latte as a warm-up. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add some Nutella and mix it until the color is even. Put the mass into a cup. Add some more Nutella to the next portion of marshmallow. Put the darker layer on top. Make foam from melted white marshmallow without any additions. Decorate it with tiny marshmallows. The nephew and niece are waiting. It's so nice to drink some coffee after a long trip here. Hold on, it looks like Stevie's coffee has been on the shelf way too long. You can't pour or drink it. Miss Gonzalez pranked her dear nephew. Oh, I see. He got slime, but nothing can stop a hungry man. He will eat this latte with a fork. Cindy thinks that her brother's coffee is way more interesting and delicious than hers. Latte Slime opens the scoring and confidently wins this round. Our sweet life continues. It would be perfect to eat some cookies after a cup of coffee. Miss Gonzalez brings Oreos. Who will be lucky this time? Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add cornstarch and powdered sugar. Mix it and add a few drops of black food coloring. Take filling out of Oreo cookies and crumble them. Add it to the sweet slime. Roll it and cut it into circles. Adjust the shape with your hands and cover them with sweet crumbs. Cut marshmallows into circles. Shape it into a flat cookie filling and assemble the Oreo cookies. Stevie has actual Oreo cookies, but Cindy has a surprise in her package. This is slime! Stevie crunches on his cookies. His sister's cookies suspiciously stretch in different directions. Stevie wants to do this trick too, but his cookie is not that flexible. At any rate, the real Oreo is more delicious. Food is the winner of this round. The score is now tied. It's time to serve something more serious. What did Miss Gonzalez bring this time? Chicken nuggets and sauce? Dry waffles slightly on a frying pan and finely crumble them. Melt chewy candies in a microwave. Mix them with cornstarch and powdered sugar. Shape pieces that look like chicken nuggets. Cover every piece with waffle crumbs. Put them into an empty nuggets box. The kids look at what they got. Stevie got real nuggets, but his sister got slimes. However, she's not disappointed at all. Anyone can quickly cook chicken, but turning slime into nuggets requires a lot of cooking skill. Plus, these nuggets will be perfect for vegetarians. Stevie doesn't feel good about regular chicken. Even this special sauce doesn't make it better. He's dreaming about the creative nuggets from his sister's box. Slimes win this round. Slimes 2, real food 1. We wonder why Miss Gonzalez gave us rubber gloves. While we rack our brains, she brings the next dish. Burgers! Melt gummy candies in a microwave. Add equal amounts of cornstarch and powdered sugar. Mix it and shape it into a patty. Cover Cover it with cookie crumbs. Add sunflower seeds. Add yellow food coloring to the melted gummy candies, some cornstarch, and powdered sugar. Mix slime and roll it out to make a thin layer. Cut out a square. This is a slice of cheese. Add green food coloring, cornstarch, and powdered sugar to another portion of melted candies. Cut lettuce out of this slime. Draw veins with a wooden stick. Make wavy edges. Assemble the burger. Cut a burger bun and put the slime patty, slice of cheese, and lettuce inside. It turns out that our Miss Gonzalez knows a thing or two about trends. Nowadays, people eat burgers only with gloves on. There you go. Now you can eat. Ready, steady, burger! Hold on. Now, Miss Gonzalez doesn't like the way we take our food. You're supposed to press the top of the burger with your hands before you eat it. It doesn't matter how hard Cindy tries. She can't press her burger, but Stevie presses his burger with just one touch. That's because it's made from slime. Eating this kind of burger is way easier, and you can divide it in half. Slimes win this fight again. The stretchy patty gets 1 point. The score is 3-1. Cindy squirrels away a pudding away from the table while Miss Gonzalez is distracted. That was a big mistake, because Miss Gonzalez cooked a very special pudding. Melt marshmallows and gummy candies together. Add yellow food coloring and mix it with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Put the slime into a pudding cup when it's ready. Attach a cap. The kids decided to have a snack while walking. Cindy is caring, so she takes out puddings. Miss Gonzalez doesn't leave her dear relatives even for a minute because Cindy took the pudding from her kitchen. Let's see what kind of surprise waits for us. They open the cups. Stevie got a regular dessert, but Cindy's pudding looks weird. It stretches along with the spoon. It must have expired. Or is it another challenge from our chef? One thing is certain, the real pudding looks more delicious. The score is 3-2 in this round, but the slimes are still winning. It's time for my niece and nephew to eat some fresh fruit. To be more accurate, someone will get fresh fruit and someone will get an unusually sweet banana. Let's check how lucky you are. Melt Chewy candies in a microwave. Add a few drops of food coloring and equal amounts of cornstarch and powdered sugar. Mix the slime. Sprinkle a banana mold with cornstarch and put the sweet slime inside. Miss Gonzalez brings plates with fruit. Cindy gets slime again, and 2 bananas for Stevie are way too much. 1 is enough. Let's see how they will cope with this challenge. Because what can be better than a fresh banana? Cindy stretches her banana until it is more than 3 feet long. This is what we call extra fruit flexibility. It looks like Cindy's banana is stuck in a stretchy universe. At any rate, no one can tell now that it was a banana. It looks more like an edible rope. I guess no slime can compare to a real banana. Stevie is lucky. Real food wins this round. Vitamins and minerals bring 1 point to the team. It's a tie. And finally, Miss Gonzalez cooked a dessert. It smells tasty. We reach for the plates while she looks for her cookbook. My oh my! These are our favorite donuts. Miss Gonzalez knows how to make her dear relatives happy. Cut a donut in half. Take the crumb out of 1/2 and put gummies inside. Cover it with the second half. Melt gummy candies and brown food coloring. Mix it with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Shape it into donut glaze. Cut a few gummy candies into small pieces. Put the donut into a microwave for 5 seconds so that the filling inside melts slightly. Decorate the glaze with pieces of gummies. Well, let's taste the last dish. Miss Gonzalez attentively watches the results of the final round. Cindy doesn't like the actual donut. The salted caramel filling causes a dissonance in her taste buds. But the slime donut that her brother has is a real discovery of molecular gastronomy. Creative and delicious. Now we know. Slimes win this round. The score is 4-3. The challenge is over and the slimes have won. Actually, Cindy and Stevie are the winners because they had so much delicious food while visiting their aunt. Did you like our challenge? Then write in the comments which food you would like to taste, regular or slime. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss new challenges on Troom Troom.